day tomorrow. Well, we're going today, but tomorrow's my first day. And I know that the purist backpackers, I'm sure, will just scoff at this because literally our hike in will only be, from what they say, 3.5 miles. But I 100%, and I don't know if you can see my backpack back there, but I 100% know that I overpacked. I brought 2 fuel canisters, but in my defense, I have no idea how long those last or how long they burn for. So, better safe than sorry, I suppose. But yeah, I'm super excited and headed out to Sarah's house so we can drive out to Red Lodge. Oh, I forgot my gun. Welcome to nature.
Right. So, story is that due to recent flooding, wow.
Sorry.
Recent flooding.
We can't go in. So
wagons.
So we're gonna come up with a different game plan. Figure out what else we can do because we are packed and ready, and this is not happening.
And pack all this shit to not backpack it up somewhere. This is gonna be such a good walk too. Like, and across from the creek. But
Well, what time is it? How
10.
long would it take us to get to Mystic?
probably an hour.
An hour.
Another hour. So
So we'd have to backtrack outside
How
of
long of a
Absarki.
hike is it?
2.5, maybe.
Miles?
Well, we're gonna run 2.5 hours.
That'd be, I would say, to
I would
get up.
even put it at 3
Because
it's gonna be
it's-
hot.
Yeah, because it's
That's
like
okay.
it's
do it.
like 6 miles round trip, but it's twice as hard as this one is.
Okay,
Like the
let's give it a
elevation
whirl.
gain is like 1,200.
Let's all complain. Let's do it.
I complained when I was in shape. I'm not in shape.
I complained when I was not in shape.
You know.
Do we want to go for a quick hike without the backpacks and then go back to town and drink beer?
I could do that.
At
I mean,
Bar Montana, they do have live music.
Bar Montana's playing. Repeat Offenders are playing.
We can always camp in the yard.
We could just carry our backpack to the festivals
I mean,
and just
we
be
just
backpackers.
get off the
We're
mountain.
backpack people. We're backpack people.
Vlog.
Okay, Captain Vlog. Backpack on. Well, it's still fucking heavy. Those bears are gonna fucking find you.
it makes me think of like the dinner bell. Bears, guys! Are you hungry, bears?
We're ready.
We're ready. Let's go on our closed road. Yeah.
And here we are.
We're backpacking on asphalt.
If this road is not 100% washed out, I'm gonna be pissed.
Like, gone. 100 feet of it.
This might be the world's shortest hike.
Yeah.
So if you're in Montana and you want a good hike,
Don't go to this one.
it's pretty. Alright.
It's like a couple miles to the lake, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's okay.
From what I can
We
remember.
are so desperate for this. I want it so bad.
We can do something else. We don't have to go crazy for this one.
Well, you can see the asphalt just right over there.
Side.
I need it! Right. So we've got a new plan. We are going to go to the brewery and do what we do best. Drink beer.
But we're still backpack people.
Yeah, we still hold our backpacks not even a quarter of the mile.
Yeah.
I said we should just move the sign. Glad we didn't. Because it's really washed out.
I was partying, I threw it all outside and I forgot it back in.
Thank you.